In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then you can click on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound and click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, hit Call Vibration, select one of those options, Vibration Pattern or Silent. Go back, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Then tap on System Vibration. Click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them, and adjust intensity by swiping left or right on slider above. After going back this time, click on Vibration Intensity, and if you want to, adjust System Haptic Feedback Intensity thanks to this slider here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!